Welcome to the first video of the new year. In this one, I'll go through the new roadmap and discuss what we have planned for 2022. So, the most important thing to begin with is accessibility. So, in the past, we have done a lot of work regarding accessibility, but this year we are taking it to the next level and we are aiming 100% compatibility with the specifications. So each component will be reviewed based on the accessibility guidelines. We will provide the fully compatible keyboard support, screen reader support, and to begin with, we will first document what we have planned. So there will be a wiki that will be shared between all the Prime UI libraries, and based on this guideline, each component team at PrimeTek will implement this specification. Researching takes more time than actually implementing it, so hopefully by the second quarter of this new year we will be fully compliant with the accessibility specifications, and also we will post course regarding auditing for specific components. Let's say for drop-down, when you go to the drop-down documentation, you will see an accessibility part stating the keyboard bindings and screen reader area, rows, and attributes. And in case there are some things that you need to do on your side as a page author, like adding area, rows, and attributes for when you're matching it with your own with the rest of the page, there will be also samples. So accessibility has the top priority on our to-do list. The second one is the templates. We've been developing admin templates for quite some time, for a couple of years now, and I've just realized that we are repeating ourselves, and we are not innovating enough. So we are changing the point of view, and the majority of the templates, let's say maybe all of the templates, will be updated, and there will be some generic admin templates that provides various designs and themes, and we will be providing a lot of sample pages based on a context. Like for example, when you go to the admin template, you will see sections about e-commerce, banking, let's say real estate, or doctor appointment and things like that. So there will be categories. So when you expand them, you will see pages like school management system, where you can enroll to a course, managed courses, students, e-learning. There are a lot of unlimited maybe number of topics. So majority of the templates will get a theme, a context or subject to work on. So for example, let's say Pandora or Harmony, maybe one template will be based on doctor appointment, the other will be based on real estate management. So the landing page, the sample pages will be updated based on that. And we will also provide sample pages and extend them, like user management, chat, calendar events and things like that. They will be shared between all the templates. And also there will be generic templates in case that you like to use it for different contexts. Then you will be able to choose one of the generic admin templates. Each template and each subject will have its own dashboard and sample pages and landing pages as well, login pages and error pages. So the theme designer, we have some plans to update it to make it more easier to use, let's say easier to use. So that you will be able to log in. Maybe there will be a login based system, so you log in, you see your themes. We will integrate the code editor inside the theme designer, so that you can write the code instantly and see it in addition to the visual editor, and you will be export the themes on the fly without right now, because you have to get the designer and run it locally to be able to use it. So we are making maybe more SaaS approach, that you will be able to upload themes, export themes as well. The Prime Blocks and the Prime Flex. The Prime Blocks version 3 is being worked on. The next version will bring e-commerce blocks, and by the end of the year we will be providing more blocks. So As you know, Prime Blocks is based on Prime Flex. So the Prime Flex will also be, enhanced with the UI designer, so that you'll be able to use, drag and drop driven designing, and it will generate Prime Flex based code, and the blocks will also be integrated with it. It's one of the things that we would like to do this year as well. And for regarding a new project, we always have an eye on the .NET, because we have never done something for .NET. We have Java, Prime Faces, Angular, React, Vue, but we have some plans for Prime Blazor. It was supposed to be released earlier, but accessibility has the higher priority, so we have pushed it forward. And by in Q3 or Q4 we will be able to provide the Blazor release as well, because right now without the accessibility it doesn't make any sense to create the Blazor. So first we need to provide the core, and then move on. It will be a busy year. Hopefully we will be able to achieve our goals this year, and we will be providing more goodies and more cool stuff and more tooling around the UI libraries. And of course, in parallel, the UI libraries will be maintained with continuous releases and so on. So thank you for joining me. It will be an exciting year, and always bet on Prime. Thank you.